One of the biggest reasons people turn to online business is the dream of working from anywhere. But most online models are complicated, expensive, and time consuming. That's where AI Scale Stack comes in. This system makes it simple to build an email-based business that can run no matter where you are, in your living room, at a coffee shop, or even while traveling. You get a step-by-step video course that shows you how to set up everything the easy way. But the real power is the Inbox Ignition Pack, AI bots that handle the toughest parts for you. They help create your brand, identify your audience, shape your voice, and even write your emails. That means you don't need to be a writer or spend hours trying to come up with content. Once it's running, your email business works 24/7. Emails go out, your list grows, and sales can happen anywhere, anytime. That's how you unlock the freedom to work from anywhere. And don't forget, it's completely risk free and with a money back guarantee. If it's not for you, you'll get a full refund. So if you want a business you can run from anywhere, click the link in my description and sign up for AI Scale Stack today.